Okay, my requirement is I want to group the data of this column, product line column, where the buy price is greater than 50. I want to have the count of that by using a where and group by first, and then we'll go to the having. Come on, just think for 1 or 2 seconds and let me know. Yeah, so this is your code. Select, I'm selecting two columns, that is the product line first column and the count of that product line from the product table where your buy price is greater than 50, and group by the product line. Let me execute this, and now you can see it is products actually. Let me execute this. Yeah, now you can see you got the count of the product line, the products which are greater than $50. Now I want to apply one more filter. I want to know that this count as count. Yeah, so I want to have the filter, once more filter, that is having the count which is only greater than 5, count which is greater than 5. So I am applying one more filter, that is your having filter after group by having. Here your count is greater than 5. So the ships and trains should eliminate, and because the count of these two products are less than 5. Now let me run this. Now you can see the output. So that ships and that trains are less than count of 5, that has been eliminated. So this is one of the example I'm using having after group by as a filter. So you can use aggregations here. Now you can use again order by the count which is descending order. So it will start with 26, then it will go with 11, 8, 6 and 6. So here we are using two filters. So if you see the SQL execution order, so first it will start with from now. So let me copy this. Copy this. So the SQL execution will be where from where group by, then it will go for having and then it will select the columns you have having, then select, then order by. So this is how the SQL execution comes, and this is your query.